Indian Armed Forces carried out Operation Sindoor to avenge the killing of 26 tourists who were gunned down by Pakistani terrorists in Pahalgam. But on the other hand, Pakistan has been continuously violating the ceasefire along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. Right now we are in the Uri sector, and you can see that last night when Indian Armed Forces carried out Operation Sindoor, Pakistan Army, the coward army, they started targeting the civilian population in the Uri sector. In this one such house which belongs to Haji Alifuddin in the Kalghai village of Uri, you can see that it was just a fraction of a second that the members of this house could be saved. It was because Alifuddin thought that Pakistan has started ceasefire violation from across the border. He moved his family members from this house to a nearby bathroom. He made sure that the entire family is safe there. This is the house where the mortars or the artillery shells that were fired from the Pakistan side has landed, and you can see the amount of destruction those shells have caused. Pakistan has been resorting to unprovoked ceasefire violation all along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir and has been targeting the innocent civilian. Let's try to talk to Haji Alifuddin. हाजी साहब, आप बताएंगे क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली कल रात को और कैसे आप अपनी फैमिली को बचा पाए?
सर, यहाँ 2:45 बजे का टाइम था, तो मैं उठ रहा था नमाज के लिए, तहज्जुद पढ़ता हूँ मैं, तो तब तक फायर आ गया। फायर आया पार से, लगा इधर हमारे सामने नीचे। मैंने घर वालों को जगाया, मैंने बोला कि आप थोड़ा डाउन हो जाओ, जो छत के ऊपर है वो भी नीचे आ जाओ, ऐसा ना हो यहाँ में गिर जाए। तो यहाँ से सबको नीचे हटारा जब, तो इधर आकर मकान के सामने लग गया। फिर मैंने एक मकान में शिफ्ट किया है, एक साइड में बाथरूम में शिफ्ट किया, तब तक इस मकान के ऊपर आकर फायर लगा जब, तो ये पूरा ब्लास्ट हो गया। तो इसमें हम क्या बोल सकते हैं साहब, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान की गलती है कि सिविल लोगों के ऊपर फायरिंग करना ये कोई ठीक मसला नहीं है।
तो अभी आप क्या चाहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान को एक बार करारा जवाब दे दिया जाए कि दोबारा इस तरह की?
बिल्कुल करारा जवाब दिया जाए, मगर एक ही दफा दिया जाए, या इधर हो जाए या उधर हो जाए, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाए, क्योंकि इसका हम बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते।
So you see that these people living along the line of control, they want that Pakistan should be taught a lesson once and for all, because Pakistan continues to target the civilian population. It was just a moment of a few minutes that this person could save his family members. Otherwise, 5 family members were sleeping at this moment, and just within a fraction of few minutes he could save them. Otherwise, there would have been any eventuality, but luckily the family members are saved. Those cowards on the other side, the Pakistan army has been targeting the civilians, whereas the Indian Armed Forces today made it amply clear that they targeted only terror infrastructure, terror launch pads, terror training camps. But on the other hand, Pakistan has been targeting the civilian population both in Jammu region as well as in Kashmir sector.